I don't know why you think we did it. That's
Cause
what
I bought the motherfucker. I wanted a goddamn hot dog. Where's my goddamn hot dog?
It was a $2 gas station hot dog. I'm sorry.
I don't give a goddamn. They got the best fucking hot dogs.
You should try the cheeseburger thing. Go back
I'll
and
look
get
at my
that.
room. Might be in my room. Let me go look. Might be my goddamn room. $2.40 for that motherfucker. Cause Oscar Mayer wiener. Oh, fucking beef. Dang.
It's all soggy.
Help me look for it.
I'm looking!
I can still eat it.
It's in a fucking packet.
I don't think I should do this, baby. I'm sorry. Clean this.
Damn, my hot dog.
I got it.
Found it?
Yeah.
Where was it?
It was sitting in the microwave.
Motherfucking time.
I'm just gonna throw it away.
Get my goddamn hot
It's
dog.
been sitting in the microwave all day.
I don't give a fuck. Get my goddamn hot dog.
All right.
Damn, the chili done melted off that motherfucker. The motherfucker's soggy.
Let me throw it away then.
No! Motherfucker don't taste good cold.
Then heat it up.
A box fell up.
Then throw it in the trash, Dad.
Ah! Fuck you.
Heat it up and then
I'm
eat
saying
it.
what?
Just heat it up and eat it.
If my mother Ah, god damn.
You're gonna waste it if you don't heat it up right now.
Ugh. It tastes funny. Motherfucker got a tinge of a flavor. I don't know what that goddamn flavor is, but sure bad. I go back to goddamn Sunoco. I'm gonna tell them about this goddamn hot dog. Motherfucker's got a tinge to it. I don't know what the fuck that taste is.
It's a gas station hot dog. What did you expect? You expected Nathan?
It's an Oscar Mayer wiener!
You don't know what's Oscar Mayer?
What would they advertise?
I ain't seen nothing in that store that said Oscar
Shut up.
Mayer.
You ain't never seen nothing, you retarded fat motherfucker.
Okay.
You and your goddamn sister.
Sister?
Yeah, your goddamn sister. Ain't that what people say? Damn, that thing got tinge. I don't know what the shit that is.
Then don't.
Motherfucker got a flavor like, I don't know, some kind of goddamn juice something.
Then don't eat it.
No, you take a bite. Tell me what you
No,
think.
I do not. I don't eat hot dogs, and you know this.
Goddamn! Ah! That motherfucker hot! That's definitely a hot goddamn dog! Quit laughing at me!
Oh man, look at the steam.
It smells awful.
It does smell gross. I can't believe you're eating
It's got
a
some kind of goddamn smell to it.
No.
Ah! Ah! What the fuck that taste?
That it's just been, it got soggy up because it's sitting in the microwave all day.
I swallowed it.
I think we should tell him.
Motherfucker.
Nah,
What?
hold on, take another bite. Why are you throwing it out?
I can't eat that shit no more. Damn, motherfucker hot.
Take another bite. We dug it out of the garbage. We found it in the trash.
My God! That was fucking garbage juice! You sick motherfucker, Bobby! I might get goddamn ptomaine, some motherfucking shit like that! Salmonella! You motherfucker, if I get salmonella, you...
Ah! Fuck!
Hey, you eat the goddamn hot dog, motherfucker!
Oh shit! Go, Richard, go! Oh fuck!
God damn!
Oh, he's coming.
When that rains, it goddamn pours and I got goddamn something to do it.
There's no lock on this door.
Where you at, motherfucker? Come out of there!
I'm outside.
Oh, come out of there! Come out, wherever you are, motherfucker! Ah! That goddamn garbage juice running down my face! You piece of shit! God damn, my stomach's feeling queasy! That was garbage juice! Do you know the difference? Goddamn, you a sick motherfucking son of a bitch! Ugh. Can't believe it. I fucking hate you, goddamn. That motherfucking garbage, look at the garbage is! There's a goddamn old peanut pea from last summer last night there. Oh, you there? Come here, kitty, kitty, kitty.